Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I have some new gel nail colors to share with you, and these are from The Nail Addict. I absolutely love the brand. I have become quite the collector of their gel nail polishes. These are so good, so worth the money. I do have a coupon code for the company just in case you're looking for a new gel nail color company to go with. I highly recommend Nail Addict. So thick, so opaque, and it does last for over 2 weeks. Love. And these are their fall colors that they're promoting right now, and I did pick up one of their matte top coats. So this is my first time ever having a matte top coat. I can't wait to try matte gel nails. Let's go ahead and get into the swatches. We're going to go ahead and swatch the colors and see how they look, as well as use my new UV nail lamp that I picked up from Amazon. I'm going to show you that as well. So let's get into it. So this is the nail lamp here. This is how it comes packaged, and like I said, I got it from Amazon. All the links and coupon codes will be down below in the description box, so be sure to check that out. Okay, it's right below this viewing screen. Just scroll down a bit and there you will find the links and coupon codes. So upon opening the box, this is what was included inside. I love it when my packages come with free nice little gifts. Looks like you got a toe separator, a cuticle pusher, a cuticle clipper there, and looks to be a couple of nail files inside, which is really nice. I love it when you get free gifts. And this is the power cord here, just really standard, okay, standard little power cord. All right, and this is the actual nail lamp itself. Okay, really nice. It's much like all the others I have tried, but let's go ahead and see how this baby performs. And it comes with 10 seconds, 30 seconds, and what looks to be 60 seconds. I think one of mine does have a 90-second. I could be wrong. I have to go back and look at my others, but yeah. And it does have a button here for double power, it says. Okay, that's interesting. So this is who it is by. Alright, so let's go ahead and get it powered on and all that good stuff, and then we're going to swatch the colors and do my little nails. I was going to swatch all the colors, but I've always done like press on nails for you, but I'm going to do my natural little nails today. I've already got them prepped and filed and buffed and all that good stuff, so we're going to go ahead and get these things cutied up, okay, because they are looking a fool right now. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into it. Alright guys, we're going to get right into the swatching. We're going to start with this color here. It's called BFF, and it's a nice brick red like color. Really nice. And guys, I really do love the consistency of these gels. So nice. Not super thin, not super thick, but it's nice enough to get a really good coverage with one coat. One coat can do the trick. Very nice. And as you see, we're using these clear nail displays. Alright, so that is BFF. Very nice. I love how it just self levels. Looks really nice. We're gonna put this into the lamp for, let's do 30 seconds. So that is BFF. Really nice, really beautiful. Right, next up we're gonna go with Wonderland, and it's this nice beautiful green color here. And this affordable UV lamp works perfectly. OMGG. Really nice, and really worth the small coin spent on this. I highly recommend this UV lamp. If you're in the market for a lamp, this one is the one. Super duper affordable, and it is really powerful. I love it. Alright, so this is Wonderland. Okay, she's cute. Alright, next up we're going to go with this beautiful color. It's called You're a Beauty, and it looks to be like a golden orange type color. almost like it should be called dandelion. I like it. It's really pretty. It looks like a really, really pretty fall color. Again, this is You're a Beauty. OMGG is gorgeous. Gorgeous. Oh, almost got too much on the brush. Alright, that is it right there. So pretty. Alright, so next up we're going to swatch Just the Flirt, Lucky Bamboo, and Cutie Pie. Alright guys, so this is Just the Flirt. So nice. Really, really pretty. I would wear this in the summer as well as in the fall. Oh, look at that one. This is so pretty. This one's Lucky Bamboo. And this one's Cutie Pie. So pretty. Loving this one. I'm so tempted to go with this one. It's a very mauve-y pink with almost like a gray undertone to it. Very, very beautiful in person. Love this color. But I'm going to go with BFF today on my natural little nails, okay? So first I'm going to grab a base coat by Nail Addict. And this is Wonderland with the matte top coat added. Wow. That is truly matte. I like it. Alright, so I'm going to grab a base coat and a top coat, base coat, and no wipe top coat. So I've already buffed and filed the top of my little nails, my little nubby nubs, for time's sake, but you do want to buff the tops. It just makes the base coats and the gel just adhere better to the nails, okay? Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and grab the base coat here and start adding a layer to my natural nails. I like wearing my press-on nails, my tips or what have you, but a lot of times I enjoy just painting my little nubby nubs. Besides, I work better with having my natural nails anyway. Just makes life a little easier. This lamp is just bomb.com. Be sure to check out the links down below to get yourself hooked up with this one. Super affordable, and it works just like a professional grade UV nail lamp. As my nails are thin, I'm going to add one more layer of base coat, then we'll apply our color. Alright, so I have my second coat of base coat on. I really like the way this looks. So now let's go ahead and add the color. I did say I'm going with BFF, this beautiful brick red color here. So let's go ahead and start applying. Oh, this color is so pretty. Alright, so let's cure them for 30 seconds. I absolutely love doing my own manicures. This has saved me so much money. I can't remember the last time I've been into an actual nail salon. It's been at least 2 years, over 2 years. All right, here's the finished product. Again, this is BFF by Nail Addict. I really do like the coverage. I think it's really cute. Nice, cute, easy little manicure on natural nails. And the new UV lamp performed like a pro. So if you're in the market for a new lamp, this is definitely one to check out. Once again, the link will be down in the description box, so don't skip over it. That is the box right below this viewing screen. Just scroll down a bit and you will see the link, as well as a coupon code for Nail Addict. Right now they're offering 55% off your purchase for all these beautiful colors. They have many other colors to choose from, and as y'all saw, I have an extensive collection by now. So yeah, guys, get yourself hooked up with some cute gel nail polishes and this cute little nail lamp. That is it for me. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.